Hey everybody, well today should be the last day that it takes me to finish this greenhouse. I'm doing it on the inside right now because it's cold out there. It's not done yet in here, but it is warmer inside here and I don't have the wind coming across. It's not bad today yet with the wind, but it's 34 degrees outside and I can feel the warmth of the sun in here. So I'm going to do a little work inside and then I'll go out there and get it going. Basically I'm just going to frame up some studs for some vents that I have that will go on both sides and pretty much cover it up and we're done, besides adding some shelves in. But I can't wait to start getting my seeds planted and getting them germinating and everything else. But follow along, like and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think. Thank you. Alright, I put the board up. I got my marking on the back now. I'm going to take it off and cut the angles and use that template to make the other three, and then make a little piece for the sides. Alrighty, well I finished it up. Just got a little board up there to put up, but it is done. This is not perfect by any means, but it's mine and I am very pleased with it. I'll put some shelves on the inside and start putting my plants in. But I'm very happy with it. I'm excited. I can start now. Probably won't start today, but I'll be starting soon. But yeah, I'm gonna go from there. Let's see what I can get growing or started to seed. Like and follow for my other videos and tell me what you guys think.